3D video involves various requirements, both in terms of hardware and software, as well as the skills and knowledge needed. Here are the basic requirements to make a 3D video. 1. Computer hardware. A powerful computer with a multi-core processor. 3D rendering and animation requires significant computational power. Sufficient RAM. A minimum of 16 GB is recommended for smooth 3D work. A dedicated graphics card, GPU. High-end GPUs significantly speed up rendering and viewport performance. Adequate storage. Large 3D projects can consume a lot of disk space, so a fast and spacious SSD is ideal. A high-resolution monitor. A good display helps with precise modeling and texturing. 2. 3D software. Choose a 3D modeling and animation software package that suits your needs. Some popular options include Autodesk Maya, Blender, free and open source, Cinema 4D, 3ds Max, ZBrush. For sculpting, you may also need specialized software for tasks like texturing, example, Substance Painter, or compositing, example, Adobe After Effects. 3. Input devices. A mouse and keyboard are standard, but many 3D artists prefer using a graphics tablet for more precise control, especially when sculpting or painting textures. 4. High-quality 3D models. You'll need 3D models of characters, objects, and environments for your video. You can create these yourself or purchase pre-made models from online marketplaces. 5. Textures and materials. Textures and materials add realism and detail to your 3D objects. You can create these from scratch or use existing textures. 6. Animation tools. To create motion in your 3D video, you'll need animation tools within your chosen 3D software. 7. Lighting and rendering. Your 3D scenes will require lighting setups to create the desired mood and atmosphere. Rendering engines are used to generate the final images or frames of your video. 8. Sound and audio editing software. If your 3D video includes dialogue, music, or sound effects, you'll need audio recording and editing software, example, Audacity, Adobe Audition. 9. Storage and backup. Invest in reliable data storage and backup solutions to protect your work. Regularly back up your 3D project files and assets. 10. Training and skills. Building expertise in 3D modeling, texturing, rigging, animation, lighting, and rendering is essential. Consider taking courses or tutorials to enhance your skills. 11. Creativity and planning. Creative vision and a well-thought-out plan, including storyboarding, are crucial for a successful 3D video project. 12. Patience and dedication. 3D animation can be time-consuming and challenging. Patience and a strong work ethic are important for seeing your project through to completion. 13. Optional. Rendering farm or cloud rendering. For complex scenes that require extensive rendering, you may consider using a rendering farm service or cloud rendering to speed up the process. Remember that 3D video production can be resource-intensive, both in terms of hardware and the time required to create high-quality content. As you gain experience, you can refine your setup and workflows to meet your specific needs and goals.